Introducing the sleek and stylish 2023 Ford Puma Titanium in blue. With only 1,000 miles on the clock, this 1-litre engine beauty is practically brand new. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you'll drive with peace of mind every time. Plus, the chrome package and spoiler add a touch of sophistication to this already impressive vehicle. Rest assured, this Ford Puma has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk today.